For those who love to use the mouse during editing, you can use the little critter to help move your tables to exactly where you want them. Using click and drag techniques, you can make quick work of the move. Word allows you to use the mouse to quickly move entire tables within your document. You can do this by using techniques similar to those that you use to move graphics around in a document. Notice that I have a small table in this document. To move it using the mouse, all I need to do is position the mouse over the top of the table. I don't want to click on the table, I just want to position the mouse pointer over it. When I do, notice that a small icon appears at the upper left corner of the table. This icon looks like a square with a four-headed arrow inside of it. I can click and drag this icon, and Word moves the table to wherever I move the mouse. You can see that there's a little outline that shows the size of that table as I move it around. When I finally release the mouse button, the table is repositioned where I released that button. If you choose to move tables in this manner, you need to be aware that Word changes the properties of the table. Most notably, it changes the text wrapping properties. Specifically, it changes the text wrapping from none to around. Thus, if your table doesn't extend all the way from left margin to the right, when you reposition the table, the surrounding text will wrap around it, just like you can see on the screen here. If you want to change the text wrapping after repositioning, you'll need to do so using the controls on the Table Properties dialog box. You can display this dialog box by making sure the insertion point is in the table, and then displaying the Table Layout tab of the ribbon. Choose Properties over here at the left-hand side, and then you can use the text wrapping icons within this dialog box to specify either none or around. Then, when you go ahead and click on OK, then it changes how the text wraps around that table. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.